Was a cold night in rural Texas, and Jake was working his usual late night delivery shift, something he had done hundreds of times before, but tonight felt strangely different at exactly 2:07 a.m. His phone buzzed with a new order showing a location called No Name Road, deep inside a forest he had never heard of and even thought it felt odd. The unusually high payment convinced him to accept it as he drove farther away from the city. The lights disappeared and were replaced by endless dark trees, making the road feel isolated and silent until finally his GPS said, "You have arrived." In front of him stood an odd wooden house with no lights and a slightly open door, which made his heart beat faster as he stepped out of the car holding the package and nervously called out, "Hello, delivery," but there was no response. Slowly, he pushed the door open and entered the dark house where the air felt cold and heavy, and suddenly a faint whisper came from inside, saying, "You are late," freezing him in place as fear rushed through his body. Confused and scared, he looked around and then noticed something horrifying. The package in his hands was wet, and when he looked down, he realized it wasn't water but blood dripping slowly from the box, causing him to drop it instantly in shock. Before he could react, the door behind him slammed shut with a loud bang, and the entire room became even colder as slow, heavy footsteps echoed from upstairs, each step getting louder and closer, making it impossible for him to move as fear took control of his body. The footsteps suddenly stopped, creating a terrifying silence, and then something dropped from the ceiling right in front of him, a human head with wide open eyes and moving mouth that whispered, "You brought me dinner," making Jake scream in absolute terror. For a brief second, the lights flickered on, revealing a tall, pale figure standing standing at the staircase with long arms, no eyes, and a horrifying wide smile. Before everything went dark again, the next morning, the police found Jake's car parked outside the same house with a engine still running and the door opens but Jack himself was never found and strangely that delivery order still appears every night at exactly 2 7 a.m. waiting silently for the next driver to accept it.